Hello guys, welcome back. In the last lesson we had set up our environment on Sublime, and now what we are going to do is first just go through the basics of Python in the form of functions. Now functions can be thought of one piece of code that you want to not write again and again, but you want to make use of it again and again. So what you do is basically, actually it's better if we just start with the implementation and you'll get a hang of it. So what we'll do now is that we'll just move on to Sublime. Now, as you guys would remember, the first step would be saving the file name as a pyfile.py, so that the environment knows that we are going to write code in Python. And I'm going to name it my second tutorial.py. Right. So the basic idea here would be to get two numbers, let's say A and B, and print the sum of the two numbers. So what we'll do is we'll define a function in Python, and def is the keyword for it. Now def, I'm going to call the function add. So add is going to be the name of the function, and I'm going to take A and B, two inputs. So these two, A and B, are these two are called parameters, which we can make use of to return the output. And we need a colon here. Now we are going to return the sum of A and B. So return A plus B. Return is again a keyword which is used to, as it says, return whatever expression it evaluates. And now we will print is a keyword. Print is going to help you display the results. Now print, we are going to call the function add. Now function calling is basically asking that function to be run whenever you want it to run. And see, so the function here add needs A and B, two inputs, and these two are just values that we'll have to pass, for which we need the sum. Now I'm going to randomly give it 175 and 180. So we expect a 355. Now let's see what Python says. Control B is the shortcut. Right, here you go, 355 is the output. So this was a very basic Python function, and I'm pretty sure you guys can now extrapolate this to write down subtractions and basic arithmetic operations. And actually, let's now define a function called remainder, and this is going to take two inputs. One will be divisor, another will be dividend, and the operator for remainder, guys, is the modulus key. Now what we need is, when the dividend is divided by the divisor, what is the remainder? Now let us print remainder 5, let's take a bigger number, 15 with 4. So we expect 3 here and 355 in the above one. So control B, right, 4 it is. It'll be good for you guys to first go through the basic operators, and that can be done using your best friend. Python operators, this is all you need. Now it's always better to go to the official documentation. and you can see what all's there. Here, right? So a plus b is for addition. Now there's concatenation, division. So there are a lot of things here in Python that you can go through, but we're not going to keep it so theoretical. As and when we need them, we are just going to come back to this page and see what the operator symbol is. Alright, so this is it for now, guys, and I have a small project for you. So what you guys need to do now is write a small function that returns the number of toffees that will be left if they are to be divided among n people, and let the number of toffees be t, right? So these are the two inputs that you can tweak and then you can play around with, and Python is going to give you results, awesome results always. Thank you for watching this, guys. In the next video we are going to do something cool. This was just to get you guys on board with the basic syntax of Python functions, but this very basic video is going to be really helpful. See you guys. Also, do not forget to like and subscribe.